Yep. And the cat is purring. Sorry, the tiger is roaring. I'm just hoping the audio doesn't fail me, man. So, let's see. Warming up. Yep, 2 notches up. And let's see how it goes. Yo, Zoom! Yo! I just, okay. Uh, I'm here only. I just gone a little ahead. I'm just taking a U-turn coming back to the house. So, I'm just taking a U-turn. Huh? Oh, man. This is tough. Yeah, it's good, it's good. Oh, I can see the blurring lights, man. The blinding lights. Wow! Oh, man. Super awesome. It's a sight, man. Yep. And there we go. No, she's at home. It's too hot, yeah. It, as it is, she was not so keen on the bike. Sunday will be tough for everybody. Yeah, it's blinking fine. I'm catching it in camera. Even just checking about the headlight lights. Pretty flashy. Yeah. Yeah. So, run into some traffic now. Okay, so stop source of photographs. Back again, back on the road. So after a good session of photography, moving on. What a mess. Oh, this car that was good. रास्ते में पेड़ गिर गया. Check the flats out like mountain tops. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I have to switch off my bike. Here we are checking the lights of the Domina. Okay, lights on. Second light on. Third light on. Now I've actually lost count of how many lights Ruben's bike's got. So I guess it's all lights on now. Well, that was a good demonstration. And yep. And now the tiger starts up. Yeah. Oh, tractor. Well, you can. So Ruben got fascinated by these UV lights and decided to take some shots. And to which I said, why not? So why not? So Zubin's busy clicking. Chalo. I can't say what Zubin said on camera, but yeah. Yeah, it's become purple now. Yeah, it's become red. Dun, dun, dun. So now we're almost closer to our destination. Yeah, you guessed it right. It's Cafe Atilta. And we're gonna meet Gaurav there. Cody's definitely taken a rain check because he's under the weather and he needs to travel tomorrow. Munuka. Here we are. Get bike parking. That is Mr. Gaurav. Okay. Hi sir.
हाथ गर्म हो रहा है पूरा
हाँ
पूरा गर्म
तो हम आ चुके हैं अभी अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे Gaurav is just back. Parked the car.
केड़ी चल रही है
यार उसका ना अब मैंने ही मना कर दिया उसको ट्रैवल है उसका और गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है ना तो इसलिए मैंने बोला भाई रुक जा कल फ्लाइट है तेरी अच्छा लेने के लिए लेना पड़ जाए इज आस्किंग अबाउट केडी दैट्स अ गुड वन We are all thinking that Katie is gonna drive to wherever overseas destination he's gonna go. And as always, the lights are playing hide and seek at this place as well. You can see them go off and on. Yep. Yep. So now we're waiting for our turn. Apparently we had booked the table and then we got late. So we had to let it go. And we're waiting for the next one. And yeah, the lights go off again. Oh, the lights have gone again. They've come, they're going. Oh, natural effect. Wow. देखो भाई बादल चमक रहे हैं. What about your filming experience, Mr. Zubin? In the dark?
In the dark. Dark Knight Rises.
Let's see how does the iPhone work on low light. Waiting for crap. Yeah. Cheers. And we are heading back now. Dog's getting impatient. Yo, check. Yep, all set. Because you were busy plotting the GPS.